Welcome to Kirti's Kitchen Katta. How are you doing today? So, holy month of Shravan has recently started, and we love to make lots and lots of mithais and sweets during this month. So today we are going to make coconut barfi. I'm going to try to make it coconut modak also with the same ingredients. For that I have taken 2 cups of fresh coconut. It's shredded, and I'm just going to stir it for some time till the moisture is gone a little bit. We don't want to make it dry, but just a little. And I'm not going to add any ghee or oil or anything right now. In fact, in a lot of desserts we don't even add oil. We prefer adding ghee or clarified butter. So I'm going to stir it for 3 to 4 minutes. So after 3 to 4 minutes the moisture is reduced, and you need to keep watching this video till the end, because we are going to add a secret ingredient or a twist in this recipe. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar to 2 cups of coconut. Keep stirring, and it will take another 6 to 7 minutes for this mixture to come together. And I'm going to keep stirring because coconut can stick to the bottom of the pan. So I would suggest to take a non-stick pan while making this barfi. So now this is reduced nicely. It still has the moisture is still there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 1/4 cup of milk powder to it. It's going to bind this vadi really well. Also it's going to give nice creamy rich texture to it. And I'm going to keep stirring it for another 4 to 5 minutes. Now after 3 minutes you can see that this mixture is leaving the pan, or it's not sticking to the pan anymore. At this time I'm going to add my first secret ingredient, and that is Gulkand. So it's around half a cup of Gulkand, but you still have to stay tuned for another secret ingredient. I'm just going to stir it and mix it well. At the same time I'm going to add red food color to give a beautiful red color to this barfi. Also I'm going to add a few slivered almonds. Stir it well, and I'm going to add cardamom powder and stir it. You can adjust the color as per your liking. Do you see this beautiful red color? I just added little more food coloring to it. And now I'm going to add my second secret ingredient, a small, like not even half a teaspoon of rose water. It is going to give nice rose flavor. So Ganesh Chaturthi is around the corner. So our Ganapati Bappa loves Modak in any form. So what I'm going to do is I have just I just dipped my palm in ghee, clarified butter, and I'm just putting the same saran or the same ingredients which I used for Gulkand Barfi for making the Modak. You just have to fill it up properly. I'm using a mold to do this, and I'm just going to press it, and I'm just taking the excess filling out. Okay, and let's try and open the mold. I think it should be in beautiful modak shape. Here you go. Yes, and let's take it out. Doesn't it look beautiful? So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Kirti's Kitchen Katta. Happy cooking. Bye bye.